any success whatsoever. The only other place was London, man. I mean, you guys really caught on first. It's an amazing thing to be able to come this far from where you live and expect a lot from yourself, but not expect all the tremendous things to happen, and then realize that, oh my God, we have fans. We have 10 fans overseas, let alone thousands and thousands. So thank you guys so much for supporting us over the years. We know there's some new fans here, we got some old school fans. It's everybody together. So every kind of person in a Maroon 5 show, that's what's always really interesting. So that's a wonderful thing. That's what we wanted from the beginning, is everybody to love what we do. That's a cool thing. So thank you guys so much. This song is from our second album, and I already screwed up one track listing, so I'm going to ask who is our biggest fan this